Hey everyone, so we are continuing with factoring by grouping. This is literally the same lesson, so just go through and follow along and practice with this. So start with the do now, pause the video, do the problem. Alright, so this is, the middle term is half the leading term, so x cubed. What multiplies to negative 8 combines to negative 7 minus 8 plus 1. It's just a regular MC chart. And then these are both perfect cubes. So we're going to factor this, right? X cubed plus 1, that's x plus 1. And then x squared minus x plus 1. And then this one, 8 is 2 to the third. This is really similar to a problem we did the other day in our Google Meet. So x minus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 8 plus 4. And that's it. All right, next one. So the first two, it's 4 terms. I automatically try GCF. So we get x squared, 5x minus 9. And then here, this has a negative, so I'm going to do negative 4, 5x minus 9. So that works out. And that's my default. I usually, when I have 4 terms, try that first. So we end up with 5x minus 9, and then when we factor those out, we're left with x squared minus 4, which is a dots problem, difference of 2 perfect squares. So that's x plus 2, x minus 2. And we are done. All right, pause, do it on your own. GCF of x squared, GCF of negative 1, and the 3 and 7, so I'm pretty sure I'm doing this right. X squared, 3x plus 7, minus 1, 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7 times x squared minus 1. And then that x squared minus 1 is a dots. So x plus 1, x minus 1. That's it. Next pair, I got 2m squared and 5. So 2m squared times 2m plus 3. And then 5, 2m plus 3. So we got 2m plus 3. When those go away, we're left with 2m squared plus 5. And that is not a dot, so we can't factor that. I mean, you could. It would be super gross with imaginary numbers. All right, try this next one. Let's see. This one. So now when I try this, I got x times x minus 4. But then this doesn't, so that's not right. So I try the first 2, second 2, and it's not working. So now I'm going to look at, can I do a 3 and a 1? And these 3 together, that's x minus 2 times x minus 2, which is x minus 2 squared minus y squared. Now that is the difference of 2 perfect squares. So imagine x minus 2, that's our a squared, and y is our b. So a plus b, a minus b. So what times itself is x minus 2 squared, x minus 2 times x minus 2, plus y minus y. Right. Number 4 is the same thing. So if you didn't get number 3, pause and now try number 4. That is x plus 7 squared, m, just kidding. And then minus n squared. So m plus 7 times m plus 7, and then plus n minus n. All right, so these are just like the last one, but they are a little harder. So pause the video and try these two. So because the trinomial is second, that really messes with the signs. So I'm going to rewrite this as x squared minus parentheses y squared plus 18y plus 81. I'm factoring out a negative 1. So that's x squared minus y plus 9 squared. So we get x times x is x squared, y plus 9, and then y minus 9. Then we're subtracting, right? Minus y plus 9 ends up getting distributed minus y minus 9. Okay? And that's your answer. Let's see. All right, so this one, 25n squared, and then we've got that, which is going to be minus parentheses, m squared minus 8m plus 16. So 25n squared, m minus 4 squared. 5n times 5n plus m minus 4 minus, and then m minus 4, so m plus 4, right? Change the sign, distribute. And that's our answer. All right, last page. All right, and this is the last type. So this last type is where we're factoring by grouping. Notice there's 6 terms here. We're factoring by grouping, and it's going to turn into a weird MC chart. Right? So these first 3, x plus y squared, and then the GCF here is 3. So we have this parentheses, x plus y squared, and then another parentheses. So imagine this is a squared plus 3a minus 10, right? So that would be, that's an MC chart, right? Plus 5 minus 2. But instead of a, what is my a? My a is really just this x plus y. So x plus y, x plus y. Right? So pause and try number 8 on your own if you didn't do that one yet. So my first 3 terms are x plus 3y squared. Right? My GCF here is negative 1, so negative 1 x plus 3y minus 20. So because, again, it's like an a squared minus a minus 20. Multiply to negative 20, combine to negative 1. That's minus 5 plus 4. But what is that same thing that's in the parentheses? And that's important, right? This and this are exactly the same. That's why this works. X plus 3y, x plus 3y. And that's it. That's lesson. So just practice. And if you get stuck, maybe watch the video again, see what does this one look like. Counting the terms is really helpful also.